About to change a valve spring. So I had a broken valve spring on a 6.2. Going to change it without removing the cylinder head. This trick my brother came up with a long time ago. He's used it more than once, so this is his idea. He's kind of a mechanical genius, in my opinion. We're using this from Bluegrass Performance up in Kentucky. That's one of my best friends I grew up with. He's done real good making these parts, made in the USA. He won't outsource nothing to China. As far as I know, I don't even know if he gets a steel from the United States or whatever, but he's all about made in America. So the idea is to take the compression gauge here, or leak down cylinder device, and what'd you do? Remove the Schrader valve in it? Ain't that how it worked?
No, you don't even have to on this.
No. But anyway, we're going to feed it air and hope that the air pressure is enough to keep the valve.
Pressurize it to about 120.
Yeah, hopefully that'll be enough to keep it up.
This isn't going to hurt anything because the cylinders operate at 220 psi, somewhere in there. Right here, our gauge stops at 100. We're going a hair past that, so roughly 120.
Alright. I'm going to get this tool mounted up and then come back and see how it does. Alright, the tool is almost on. And if this doesn't work, then the cylinder head was going to have to come off anyway. So we'll try to set about 6 hours. Think that's how long it would take?
Oh God, no, that would take 5 years for us.
Well, that worked quick, didn't it? Okay, your keepers are ready to come out. Alright, go ahead.
Why don't you pull those out?
I'm going to use what you said. I thought they still got tension on.
No, it's the wrong side.
Oh, it
It's
is?
the wrong side, yeah.
Alright. Got a keeper. Keepers are out.
Huh? Back this off.
I don't guess it matters if you go fast or slow.
No, I don't. Is there tension on the spring still?
No.
What's holding that valve spring in? Hang on. Not like this.
The valve stayed up. Full spring. It's broken. Alright.
Come out like this, right?
Yes.
Just for sake of, this goes on top. The painted side goes on top. This is a BTR valve spring replacement. This is not a factory replacement. Did I miss the valve?
No, I think you're right on, bud.
That look right?
Yeah, thanks, sis.
Oh, don't push the center of the valve in. Look right?
It looks right to me. I guess it's just sticking up there. Oh, the other one didn't come up because it was broke. Yeah, duh.
Right. We're setting in both valve cups right here.
Looks good. I'd go slow on the running the nut on. I mean, I don't know why, but I just would. Too bad we didn't record putting the billet torque converter in the what transmission is this? 4L80?
No, it's a 6L90.
6L.
No, I'm sorry, 6L80. 6L90 on the vets and the CTSVs.
And then just had the DOD replacement done. And yet a valve spring. After he put on his lift. Truck was running fine, put on a lift kit. Broke a valve spring. Run around for a long time wondering what we might have unhooked. It's going.
Alright. Is that low enough for the keepers?
Yeah, I think it is. I can't record and do it, so we'll just have to stop recording for a second. Go back, back it up. I wonder if I shouldn't just use a wrench to go extra slow. Alright.
I can do it real slow.
No. Get a wrench right now. The impact's causing that, and the jar of the keeper's loose. Make sure and get the snap on. We're putting it on YouTube. Put gloves on too.
I'm getting the Motion Pro.
Oh yeah. Hey, why not use the Motion Pro?
Where it gets caught on the kickstand.
Yeah, it's good.
Sweet.
Get the snap on. Wear gloves. Lay out all your tools. You got the Duralast.
Yeah, I know.
It's even better. Well, air compressor's getting smart today, ain't it? Maybe it ain't leaking as much as it sounds like it is, because it's only kicked on once.
No, it's, what is it? It's going to the rings. Bingo. Just for the record's sake. If this would have been any more broken, we would have had a lot bigger issues on our hands, like a hole in a piston or, you know, anything that comes along with dropping a valve.
Alright, well, it looks like...
Now the scary part is to take the pressure off the cylinder and see if the valves stay up.
Well, I mean, if that keeper's in that and that spring's released, it's got to stay up.
We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out on video.
You know the saying, though, the shop saying. What is it?
And we do it right because we do it twice.
At least twice. This would be a first.
Stop talking.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna horse laugh. Ting.
Yeah, I'll cry. What? Fool.
There we go. All right. Well,
Oh,
the pressure's off the cylinder. Their keepers look feeling good for the most part.
maybe it'll keep her up, or keep her.
Maybe it will. Maybe it will. If it breaks another valve spring, I'm buying a whole set of Rod Tooley.
This is going on. Pass or fail. It's going on the YouTube.
Okay.
Okay.
Now this is a pass.
Oh, where'd you find the stool?
I brought it out here 10 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah.
Here, pause it.
Recording. It looks like.
We'll find out. Alright, where's the digital? Get this piece of junk here. Get it.
Oh yeah.
Don't buy this. Don't.
One reason that we don't like the Cobalt is swapping back from Newton meters, which I do with my bikes, inch pounds, foot pounds. You have to go through the recalibration process of the degree section on it.
Keep an eye on my.
I'm watching. I'm on TV right now, dude.
I know my rocker arm tip there.
Jeez Louise.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Here, feel this thing and be sure it's centered.
Appreciate that, brother.
It wasn't your bolt.
What are you talking about?
I mean, it wasn't your bolt that was messed up.
See if you got the snap on, you wouldn't be able to do that. And then you looked all like maybe you knew what you was doing. You gotta have on rubber gloves and snap on tools. You gotta lay them out real neatly. Like that's how things go.
Yeah. We're not. This isn't American Trucks.
Oh, and you gotta get safety glasses too.
This isn't American Trucks.
It's
I don't
Chevrolet.
say at any rate. This isn't American Trucks. This is not what we do here.
Oh, you're going to contaminate your oil because you don't have gloves on.
Go ahead and get a little closer view of that old. All this. Look here.
Sometimes you drop glitter in your oil. It's
Look.
okay.
Yeah.
If you'd had gloves on, that wouldn't have happened.
We wear gloves quite a bit.
Are we centered on the rocker arm?
No,
No, we're not.
I just don't wear them for the video.
Centered.
Yeah.
Centered.
Yes, it looks good. It's applying the pressure, it's pushing it down.
That actually is not very good, honestly. I'm gonna turn it over here in a minute and get all the pressure off of them and retorque them.
Okay. We're gonna do take the fuel pump thing out and turn it over with the starter or something?
No, I'm gonna clear flood mode it. 22 foot-pounds, right?
Yeah. 220 foot-pounds.
Sweet. Nothing anywhere on this thing is torqued to that. Actually, now the crank bolt's torqued to 260. Yeah. Why has nobody made a straight inline torque wrench? God forbid.
What do you mean?
I mean, like, this is ridiculous.
It's straight and
There's no
inline?
need for these. No, an inline torque wrench like a screwdriver. Patent pending. This is retarded.
I don't get it. You want to hook around all your hoses?
I don't know.
Probably need a little extension. You reckon?
Oh, your
Yeah.
torque
Okay.
rating's going to be off.
You know, we got them that ain't too long, you know. That's what I'd have done. Yeah. I'd have grabbed the longest one over there. I wouldn't have got just what I
It
needed.
was readily available. Alright. Anytime you're going into clear flood mode, be sure there's nothing in the rocker arms or anything electrical.
It's real close. Hold on. Well, I don't guess it'll touch, but
No, they're fine.
I mean, I know it won't, but daggone. Alright, whatever. You sure this thing ain't gonna fire up? You know, I just got to thinking. We probably need to unhook this air tool to the cylinder, right? Well, I don't guess that matters.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, we do.
the one that you just replaced, the pressure looks like it's off of it.
Well, no, I need the pressure off both of them.
Okay, that's gonna require some timing. Nope.
Nothing?
Off one and on the other. Whoop, there you go. It looks good. Or I mean, you know, from where I'm standing. Well, if there's ever been any doubt if we know what we're doing or not, you've removed it with that extension. Reassembly.
Yeah. What?
I'm just nervous. I always get anxiety. Can I shut your hood? Do what, bud?